Only 1% of people solve this question correctly. The question is, 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. The 99% who get it wrong solve it like this. They say 3 divided by 3 is 1, and again 3 divided by 3 is 1, and finally 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is completely wrong because they don't follow the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is for smart people. If you're smart, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the correct way to solve this problem. Since the expression only contains division, we have to work from left to right. First, we divide 3 by 3, which gives us 1. So the expression becomes 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Next, we do 1 divided by 3, which equals 1/3. Now the expression becomes 1/3 divided by 3. At this point, we apply the KCF rule. When we reach a point where we have a fraction divided by a whole number, we use the KCF rule. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction exactly as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second number to its reciprocal. Then we simply multiply the numerators and denominators to get the final answer. According to the KCF rule, we keep the first term as it is, so we write 1/3. In the second step, we change the division sign to multiplication. In the third step, we flip, take the reciprocal of the second term. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. So 1/3 times 1/3 equals 1/9. This channel is exclusively for the bright minds. If you're smart, hit that subscribe button.